In this episode, you are going to learn how to make Google Analytics view cut event for Shopify store using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimraja.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
This is our demo Shopify store and we are going to track view cut. Okay, so what is view cut? Like someone click on product which is view item, someone add to cart and then view cut. This event actually we are going to track. So this event actually important for making remarketing campaign. Like you can easily make custom audience based on this event who actually add to cart, view item and view cart of this product. Like this is the journey of purchasing product. Okay, so that's why sometimes these events are important for a e-commerce business owner. Okay, now we are going to send this event to our Google Analytics. Okay, so we are using Google Tag Manager for sending this e-commerce event, and I always recommend you to use Google Tag Manager because this is easy and smart way to send and make event. So if you already watched my previous couple of video lesson, then you can understand how to configure this tag, how to send view item, how to send add to cart. Right now we are in here like sending this event. Okay, so for quick overview, we are just connecting Google Tag Manager to our Shopify website through this code backend. So if I show you that code, which is just this is Google Tag Manager code, simply copy and paste it, and now we are just connecting Google Analytics to through our Shopify. Like we are connecting Google Analytics to our Shopify website using this tag, okay, which is Google Tag. We just copy and paste our stream ID and then this measurement ID. Okay, so always we need this measurement ID. Now we are going to send that event. So first of all, go to preview. So always we need to go and we need to do the live work. Okay, so this website is now connected through Google Tag Manager, and let's view this product. Okay, so this is the view cut. You can see, let's go back our Google Tag Assistant and you can see the new tag which is view cart. And if I expand the data layer, you can see the product information here. This product information actually this product. So that's product name, product value and etc. Okay, so you can see this product value is 6.56 and currency USDT. So that's it. And now we need to send this specific product information to our analytics. So it's pretty simple if you watched my last couple of video. Okay, let's configure the tag. Go to new and select Google Analytics, then select the event. It's actually event, and copy the measurement ID and paste here the measurement ID. You can see it's required measurement ID, and you can see the Google tag found in this container. So that means it's okay. And now we need to input the event name. So if I search on Google name GA4 standard event, then you will see the Google documentation, and these are all recommended event. And in purchase event, it's for online sales. We can easily see our view cart event. So you can see this is the view cart event, and here is the 5 required parameter we need to send to our analytics. So let's copy this event name and input is here, and this event parameter we need to send. So it's actually required 5 event parameter 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so simply copy the currency. This is the parameter name, currency, and then we need to copy the value. We need to copy the item. It doesn't mean you need to follow always the serial. You can break the serial, no problem. It doesn't, no problem. Okay, and now last one is for item ID name. Okay, this name are important to do a specific, just you need to copy and paste. So when you have successfully done, you can see the check mark. So if you are not able to see the check mark, that means you are doing something wrong here. So you need to check that. For example, if you hit the space here, the check mark is gone. So always you need to check this one with the right format. Okay, and the value, what will be the value? So value, always I recommend to use this data layer checker extension, and here you can see the event code, which is data layer code, and that code will pull this output. Okay, so you can always make this kind of variable. So I am going to show you one, which is just hit the plus and make the data layer variable and input that code. So and then save it, it's currency. Okay, so I already made this all the requirement, so just I am selecting. Okay, so hope you can understand, and if you have any doubt, you can watch the previous episode, or you can also comment on this video. I will help you, no problem. And item ID, this is item name, item price. So what is item ID? So this is product ID, and product name, this is product name. Okay, so it's ready. Now our event name, we didn't input the event name yet, so just you can also copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, no problem. Now our event and parameter is ready, and it's time to set up the trigger. So trigger, actually select that event and hit the plus, and then hit the custom event. Okay, select the custom event, and we actually copy exact same event name from here. So that's mean we want to send this event exact when the view item are firing. Okay, so here this is view cart, and then it's time to save, and then save view cart. Okay, then save it. So our tag is now completely ready, so now save it. And I always use to this format and save it, and now it's ready. And then go to preview, and it's time to test. We always, I recommend and I suggest you, please test when you have done, then you can understand everything is working fine or not. Okay, so let's come quickly view this item and go back, and you can see this view item and our trigger was fired, and all the product information we are sending to our analytics dashboard. So that's mean our setup is pretty good. And when you have done and everything is okay, then you can submit and publish this latest version, because otherwise it will not start working. So you need to keep in mind that. That's it.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.